Welcome back to another live stream. Happy Thursday, everybody. We have a very, very big day ahead. We had NVIDIA earnings yesterday. Market liked the overall reaction, or the overall reaction out of the market was very positive off of NVIDIA's earnings. NVIDIA is currently sitting above 500 in the pre-market here, 501.45. Things been an absolute unit, man. Now, here's what we're looking for going forward. Today, guys, we have the first kind of round of interviews with a lot of these different Fed speakers at the Jackson Hole Symposium. Tomorrow, we get Powell at 10:05. That is the next big thing that the market is going to be looking towards to see what type of guidance that the Fed speakers and the overall Fed members are going to be giving. So that's going to be the key things that we're looking for going into today, team. Again, you guys kind of know the deal over here. Not touching NVIDIA. Not going to go anywhere near that thing. I mean, even if you see a little bit of IV crush, the premiums on NVIDIA are going to be absolutely ridiculous. I'm not touching any of that. And team, just like we were talking about yesterday in the midweek masterclass, in the morning streams that we've been doing over the last few weeks here, there's two key things that we're looking for when the market opens today. Trend, respect. Those are the two key things. I might even make a whole video about that for you guys, so that you guys have that and are able to identify that. But everybody, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys slap the shit out of the like button. It helps out a whole lot getting these streams out to some more people here. Remember, everybody gets their first month free to trade1348.com. Prices are increasing across the board very soon. And again, we do have a little surprise for you today. And I've been warning you guys about Masterclass. Make sure that you guys are headed to your subscriptions area or reaching out to Diana if you're interested in taking your trading up to the next level there. You guys are not going to want to miss it. I'm warning you. I've told you a few times, but let's see who we got in here today. Let's see how the like button's doing. Let's see. The Great Chronicles, AMC, piece of garbage, as we've been saying since Ape came out. Taco Lori, Chad, Wreck-It Ralph, James, Nature's Barista, Nettie, Daily Taylor, Infamous, Alex, what is up? Dr. Bob, John, H. Diamonds, Logan, Drew, what is going on? Team CF Limited, Hot Mess. Thank you. What platform that Gabe uses? Oh, that Gabe uses the trade? Tradeovate and Ninja Trader, both of them. You can't trade those on Fidelity. No, I don't think you can trade futures on Fidelity. You also don't really want to trade them on TD just because they're going to go direct to the CME, which then you're going to have to pay like $12,000 per ES contract. Versus $500 of day margin on these other brokers. But if you're a master member, I mean, I already have that futures primer stream out there for you guys that breaks down exactly what futures are, how they move, how they're like not priced, but what you have to pay for them. That's all out there for you guys. That educational video is there at your disposal. Let's go Jackson's Hole. Oh boy. Yeah. And again, I feel like today's going to be a day where we're going to get a lot of nonsense questions about AMC. Guys, you guys can, I want you guys to help me too in the live chat. It can't just be me. Guys, it's completely done. They're going to do the same thing that they tried to do with Ape. What's it trading at right now after this silly little reverse split? Oh, look, 725. Oh, great. So literally what you've done is in a year, you've fucking took away a bunch of equity, fucking chopped it away, raised a little bit of money, but nothing too crazy. Just enough money to stay afloat. And then you're going to try to do the same thing again. We're just saying, oh, we're going to reverse split it and try to sell more. And then everybody's going to expect the price not to absolutely tank. Okay. Have fun with that. Have fun with that. Tina says, lol. Yeah, is with it. TLT moving to the upside here. Where's Google? Google up another 1.22%. That's not bad. Let's see what happens here. I never got to go through my scanner. Fuck. All right. So this is another thing that I want you guys to keep a lookout for. Watch the daily on the SPY and the 4 hour. So the first thing that you're going to see on the SPY is a 4 hour. You already got the 4 hour traffic light. Jesus. All right. So you already have the 4 hour traffic light. The next thing that you're looking for is the daily traffic light. Guys, what have we been talking a whole lot about with price action in the overall market? If you're below this EMA cloud here in the 13, 24, and 48 here, we're going to be using this little range here as dynamic levels of resistance. Now, if you can break above and you start to use them as support, you can shift the trend to the upside. Now, you're doing it on not only the 4 hour, but the daily as well. You're starting to get here on the daily. We are above that 24 EMA here on this daily time frame. So if we can break above, start to move back up, and we get a little bit of positive reaction out of Jackson Hole, I mean, you could then start to see a shift in that trend back to the upside here. Then we're going into the Fed meeting and the potential nonsense in October with this weird potential government shutdown that I'm going to look at a lot more this weekend for you guys. But that's kind of what I'm seeing so far in the short term. If we are closed above here by the end of the week and we start trending higher, swing season will probably be back. Not fully, but it will be back. That's why I was more interested in Google. And it's been on my radar for a while. But once I saw the market doing this and Google breaking up and coming into NVIDIA earnings and things like that, I was like, it's not the worst idea there. So let's see what happens. But this is very interesting action here. I want to see if this rejects, because if this rejects down hard, oh, that's not great. Let's see. Tesla 238.95 could be interesting. If it, you mean like the 200 EMA on the 5? Oh, also, fun fact, guys, my left eye is fucked up today. I don't know what it is. Yesterday, I woke up and it was like kind of red and irritated. And then today I woke up and like I tried to go put a contact lens in, and then it felt like I was being stabbed in the eyeball. So I left it in there because, you know, my job requires me to see. So I was like, dude, it was literally like just like gushing water like this morning, just because like it was just like, ow. And my eye was closed. And then I opened it and then it got worse. And now I'm just sitting here chilling. It's still watering right now. Too much winking at chicks? I don't wink at girls, bro. I don't think I've ever winked at girls. What I will do though is if they say something stupid, I'll say -1 to their face. And then if they say something good, I'll be like, all right, +1. That's always interesting. That's an interesting one. Okay, so here we go, guys. Keep smacking that like on the way in. We are almost at 50 in the pre-market. Got to invest in some glasses. Nothing but straight blinks. Dude, I'm just like blinking over here. It hurts. And then the right eye was like the right eye's fine. The left eye's on the struggle train. We do have a little surprise for you guys today, though. Again, it has to do with Masterclass. Get ready. It's going to be interesting. We've been sending out those warning shots for you guys to hop into Master. Make sure you guys are doing it. If you guys want to take your trading to the next level, there you go. When I was younger, you worked at a recording studio and you lost hearing in your left ear for a bit. Not fun. Oh, yeah. That happens to me for about 10 minutes every single time I leave the club. Okay. Let's see what we're going to get here on the SPY and everything else with the market today. A little bit of action here. You wear contacts, those days happen. Yeah, man, it sucks. You're just like, oh, I didn't realize that I was like almost like it feels like, you guys remember like, never mind, I'm not gonna say it. Never mind. We've gone off the rails too quick today so far. I'm only half an energy drink in. We need the other half to get going. I wear contacts? Yeah, bro. I'm like blind. Not really. But like my eyesight's not great. If I was living in like hundreds of years ago, I probably would have been natural selected by like a tiger, because I just wouldn't have seen it. It would have just been like, boom, tiger, done. And I'd been like, well, it was a good run. All right, let's see. Looking at your screen with sunglasses because you use, oh, that sucks. Get LASIK. I'd prefer to not have lasers in my eyes, you know? I'm good with contacts. I'm fine with that, man. All right, guys, trend and respect. That's what we're looking for. Market open, trend and respect. That is all we are looking for today. Just like every day. Trend and respect. NVIDIA. This is funny. All right. NVIDIA short sellers down 826 million in mark-to-market losses as stock jumps pre-market. NVIDIA short sellers lose $11.4 billion year to date, including pre-market share move. S3 partners. Oh, God. NVIDIA, the run true MOAS. Yesterday's afternoon masterclass was awesome and very helpful. Taco Lori, I appreciate you. Yeah, we can do a lot more like that with you guys. There's a lot of things that we can talk about in the midweek masterclass. Imagine being in the Middle Ages with bad eyesight. Thank God it wasn't me. I would have been done. They would have taken me out so quick. Yeah, we're just kind of chopping around here in the pre-market. We're up about 0.5% on the SPY here, $1.89, for almost basically 445 here. So we have a little bit of a range set up here. We got 444.60 to 446.60, a $2 range here. We're a lot closer again. We're 30 cents away to the lower end of this range, so we got to see how it's going to behave down there in these pre-market lows. See if we want to set that trend up or down. Again, we'll be drawn. You'll get your surprise. You'll get your surprise in about 20 minutes, I think. Pink eye? I don't think it's pink eye. I've had pink eye before. A few times actually. Let's see. What else, guys? Keep calling out tickers. Let's take a look at some things again. I mean, I'll pay attention to Nvidia today because it's going to be a big driver of market action. If it starts to go, obviously the market's probably going to come up with it, dependent upon what happens at the initial kind of rounds of interviews with the Fed officials during Jackson Hole. So at 10 a.m., that's going to start Fed official interviews from the Jackson Hole Summit. What was the expected move on Nancy? I think it was 11%. I think it was 11. So you're within it. So you are going to see a lot of premium crush on this thing. But again, it's still up $34. So, I mean, if you went one directional, you got it. I don't necessarily, the premiums were jacked up anyway. So I don't know how well strangles are going to perform here. I don't think they're going to perform very well. Shan, don't know. I don't know why you're still messing around with that thing, even though I've told you guys many times since Ape that it's done and they're just stealing from you. They don't give a fuck about retail investors. I don't know. I mean, there's a reverse split, so it's going to get a little fucked up. And then they're going to dilute the shit out of you, and it's going to be the same thing that happened with Ape. And they're going to raise a little bit of money, and then they're done, essentially. Because then they're not going to be able to raise money at those lower prices because nobody's really going to care. And then, ouch. So, Palantir ran up with NVIDIA earnings after hours. I believe it hit 16. Yeah, 1586, dude. Palantir had a nice little after hours pop. Remember what I was saying? Palantir in the 14s. I like it. Cracked down below 14 for a second. We're right back up to 16. There we go. It's almost like we know exactly what the fuck we're doing over here. Yeah, Palantir is an interesting one. Your friend had one call on NVIDIA. You advised him to sell 2 days ago for a 2K profit. Let's see if he calls you today. Well, if he held it, he's going to be having fun, man. When they do the reverse split, half the A's are going to think it's running. Oh, they will. They'll be like, oh my God, it's running. Like, I kind of feel bad for the people that are still in it, but also I don't because I was screaming from the rooftops and then everybody was sending me death threats. I was like, you're paid by a hedge fund. Fuck you. We're going to kill you. And I was like, all right, bro, have fun with that. All right, team, keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's do what we're here to do. Make money in the market and then be done. For all of you guys, remember, QR code is on the screen. Make sure that you guys are scanning that. The link is also at the top of the live chat for your first month completely free to trade1348.com. You want to come to the best place to learn to trade? You know where to go. Dollar, what's it doing this morning? Is it creeping? Dollar's creeping up here. That's interesting. What's going on? I mean, let me check the news feed. Could be off the jobs report, but oh, here we go. China capitalizes on U.S. sanctions in the fight to dethrone the dollar. The U.S. uses its financial power as a geopolitical weapon. Yeah, but the dollar dominant starting to. That's not really it there, though. What do we got for gap ups? Splunk. That's really it. Select semiconductor stocks trading higher after NVIDIA earnings. SMCI. Up 6% here. Marvel up. I mean, this is a little bit outdated, but you got Marvel running up a little, up 4.6. You've got Broadcom, AVO turning up a little bit here, 2.7. AMD was up a little bit, but it's not up as much anymore, 1.48%. Qualcomm barely got a little bit off of that. NXPI got a little bit as well. I don't see any gap. What are the gaps down? Dollar Tree off of earnings, 4.4%. Yeah, that's really it there. Yeah, dollar and SPY up. It's interesting. So again, you're gonna really decide which one's correct at around 10 o'clock when those Fed interviews start happening. Ooh, man, we have a lot of slackers on the like button this morning. About 140. You guys haven't hit it yet. Make sure you guys are slapping that on the way in. We don't want to see any slackers. You guys have been running it up recently. I appreciate you guys. AI had a good day. Nice pop on NVIDIA. Also sold a little early, but I'm going to watch this today. NVIDIA, not me. This thing is way up there for me. What I want to do with NVIDIA, again, same deal that I do with a lot of these earnings. Look what happened with NVIDIA after their earnings last time. Where's the big gap? It's this one here. So personally, I want this thing to consolidate into like a 13, something like this, and then get a break above certain levels with 4-hour traffic lights. Same deal. How I always look at these earnings trades, especially if they are big runners after earnings. Not going to be touching it today though, especially with the premiums. It's just a little bit too cooked. 2 giant earnings in a row. I mean, that's just not for me. I mean, it's not. I mean, I don't want to be chasing that thing to the upside. Throw out a couple. Oh, AI. Gotcha. Oh, like C3 AI or AI tickers in general? Yeah, AI's up. How does this look? Because I mean, I've been hunting this thing for a swing for a while. Nope. Nope. Not doing it. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. That's interesting to me. I want this above these EMAs and consolidating. Above the 48 here, consolidating. I want to see how it performs there. Yeah, C3. Tyler, good morning, buddy. How you doing? AMC getting what it deserves? Well, I don't necessarily want to say what it deserves. I would say that anybody that's upset doesn't deserve to be upset. That's how I would frame it. Like, if you're upset, you just haven't learned shit. You just spend all your time fucking around. Oh, fuck my eyeball. All right. Oh, that's better now. Oh, here it comes. Here comes the eye water. Here it comes. Here comes the eye water. Here it comes. Dude, my contacts are struggling this morning. I put it in and it was like, oh no, it felt like I was getting a sword in my eye. It's just gonna be one of those days, man. It's just gonna be one of those days. Is it a gusher? I don't know. I mean, it's just like there's something in it. You know those like things in like middle school and high school with like the shower and like the eye wash station? That's what I need. I need one of those in my apartment right now. Good morning, STV. What up, Damien? How you doing, buddy? Did you take it out and put it back in? No. They can go, these can no, that's not what it is. If I take it out and put it back in, it'll be really bad. I have to just leave it in and hope for the best. I have to just go with it. Yeah, Nvidia short sellers lost 11.4 billion this year alone. Yeah. All right, guys. We have 12 minutes until the ding ding. Let's see. All right, cool. UNH, yeah, healthcare could look interesting. Actually, why is this thing low? Why is this thing way lower? Why is UN interesting? UNH coming to the downside here. Traffic light down. Huh. Good call there, Ralph. I can get an eye wash attachment for my sink. I could. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, this is gonna be a really fun day. Once you guys see what we're about to do, it's gonna be fun, man. It is gonna be a fun day. Did I sleep in them? No, 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 no. I did not. All right. So again, you have the Fed speakers coming up until 10 at 10 here. So you're going to get these interviews from Jackson Hole that is 1000% going to be market moving. We can set that trend early and kind of get a little quick trades off of that, but the real moves to me personally are going to be coming after those Fed officials start speaking. Let's see. Tech's holding up the SPY, Exxon, UNH down. Tech will have to follow eventually, or they just are now going to start leading. Did I put it inside out? No, no, no. That's not what it was, guys. That's not what it was. Holy shit, we are 5 likes away from 100. There we go. Let's see. Let's see here, team. All right. Nancy's way up there. Wow. Whoa, 503. Holy shit, dude. I mean, Nancy's going to have like a $10 range at open, I think. It's going to be moving like a wild person. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, team. We got about 8 minutes to go. Is it torn? No, it's my eyeball. Guys, I know what it is. I got something in my actual eye, and it's just gonna do this for like a week, and then it'll be fine. But like, it's like all red. You guys probably can't see it on the camera, but oh, jeez. All right. Here comes Tesla. Down, yeah. Right to that 5-minute 200. Is everything on the 5-minute here? Yeah. Cool. I want everything on the 5-minute for open. He got it from Jackson's Hole. All right. All right. All right. SV was eating something he wasn't supposed to. No, that's not what it is. It's very different. It doesn't feel like you're getting your eyeball stabbed. Okay. Tyler, Mr. I'm 17. I know everything. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, let's have a good day, team. Keep smacking that like on the way in. We have a very interesting announcement coming up in a few minutes. I think you guys are gonna like it. We are gonna have a lot of fun doing this. Google chopping around, AMD chopping around. All right. That's hilarious. Stop. That's just rude. All right. At 9:27 in 3 minutes, I'll make the announcement. In 3 minutes, I'll make the announcement. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. I hope you guys are excited. Keep smacking that like on the way in. Oh boy. All right. Nothing too crazy in the pre-market here. We're just kind of watching things flicker around. I mean, UNH looks interesting. Google up at these levels is a very, very interesting spot here, breaking above 134.07. You look at this on like a weekly time frame here. Look at this. I mean, this thing looks like it could be primed to come up to here 144, 152. You could end up getting some interesting moves on Google here. I don't know. It's been on my radar for a while. See if I can hit a nice little trade with it. You're going all in 3 minutes. It's willy-nilly time. I'm getting married. No, I'm not getting married, bro. None of that nonsense. Why would I do that? That's just silly. I'm 24, bro. Let the boys play. It's going to be the ankle shave date. No, it's not. It's not. It's actually, it's going to be a nice one. I think you guys are going to enjoy this. All right, we got 2 minutes for the announcement. AMD, nice little pop here. Up $1.81 in the pre-market. Oh, no, I'm not up. Wait, am I? I think I'm still up 1,000% on my AMD shares. I think. It's close. It's like 960 or something. Fuzzy, what up, buddy? Pista? No, I'm not buying a Pista right now. I got nowhere to drive it, bro. I live in fucking Boston. Like, where am I going to drive that thing? All right. 60 seconds till the announcement. Only 960%? Loser. Congrats on AMD. Thanks, man. Dude, I've had those shares since like forever. My average is like 1139. So I probably should do something with that. I might start selling some calls against it. Like, if we see this nice little AI pop, I'll sell some calls on it. Fuzzy, I got the thing somewhere. I have it. I still have the liquid IV case. Shout out to you, buddy. I appreciate that. He's buying AMC. He's definitely not doing that. All right. 10 seconds till the announcement. 10 seconds. All right, everybody. Make sure that you hit that like button on the way in. We got the announcement coming here. 2, 1, 9:27. All right, guys. Here's the announcement. So, moving in with Gabe. Ooh, this is an interesting one. So, in 3 minutes, I am going to be joining Gabe on the master stream. So, you guys are going to have an insight into how we interact in the market every single day, going back and forth, talking shit to each other, going all over the place, making sure that we have everything covered. Now, the second thing that's going to come along with this is every Tuesday and Thursday, I'm going to be hopping on those the morning master streams with Gabe. The second thing that we're going to be doing is I'm going to be providing on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I'm still figuring out exactly how we're going to do this. More personalized attention to those of you guys over on trade1348.com. I don't want you guys to feel like you're not getting the attention that you need, or you're out here sitting in these public streams and it's just like all sorts of random people in here. So we will be doing the pre-market streams. We will be shutting it down and going right in with you guys and getting the fuck to work, making the money that we need to make, and then leaving for the day. It's either going to be a stream or I'm going to be in there in voice with you guys or sending pictures of things. We're going to figure that out completely. But for today, for those of you guys that are in masterclass, I told you guys we were going to continue to add amazing value for you guys in there. Make sure that you guys are ready for that link as it comes through. You guys are going to get Gabe and I both this morning and every Tuesday and Thursday. So again, make sure that you guys are hopping into Master when you guys are ready to go. We are going to take you guys to the next level, man. It is all about making sure that you guys are about to have the success that you need, and we are going to get going with it, bro. I am super pumped. So again, we're going to keep these pre-market streams going every single day. But for those of you guys that want that additional personalized attention to make sure that you have the education in reading the trend, understanding the trend, looking at these entries, we are going to be doing all of that within the education umbrella of trade1348.com. So remember, everybody gets their first month free here. So if you are interested in that, make sure you guys scan that QR code or check out the link at the top of the live chat. If you guys need more proof of just how successful our system and our education is, go watch some of those videos that I posted, the interviews, our millionaire member interview with Jason, and then Faust, Josue over there, making over like $200,000 in a month with our strategies, with our education on a couple of these prop firms. So guys, that is going to be the plan going forward. I'm super excited to get after it with you guys. It's going to be awesome, dude. I cannot wait. Let's see. So these pre-market streams are gonna be public for you guys. Then we're gonna kill it, go right into the Discord with you guys. on Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we are going to be in Master. Ding, ding, ding. That is market open. Make sure that you guys are ready for that Master link as it comes through. I'm not sure if it's out yet, but we are going to be with you guys in a couple of minutes. Team, again, if you guys want to hop in, get all that extra information, QR code's right here. Link at the top of the live chat with code GAINS. You get your first month completely free. Peace.